Technology is transforming the battlefield, where machines increasingly influence life or death decisions. AI is revolutionizing warfare without creating killer robots. It enhances military operations and raises ethical questions. Let's explore how AI is changing tactics and the future of combat. Chapter 01: Introduction to AI in Warfare. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is transforming modern warfare by enhancing efficiency and effectiveness. The integration of AI began decades ago with applications in logistical planning and data analysis. Today, AI plays a crucial role in strategic planning, threat assessment, and combat simulations. Its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly makes it invaluable for real-time decision-making. As technology advances, AI's role in warfare continues to evolve, raising both opportunities and ethical concerns. AI systems are being integrated into various military operations to improve performance and reduce risks. This integration is set to redefine the future of military operations. Before we get into more, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis on how technology is shaping the future of warfare and beyond. Let's continue. Chapter 02: Enhancing Military Command and Control Systems. AI significantly enhances military command and control systems by providing real-time data analysis and predictive insights. This allows commanders to make informed decisions more quickly, improving operational efficiency. AI systems help manage complex networks and communication systems, ensuring seamless coordination across different units. Furthermore, AI aids in resource allocation, optimizing the deployment of troops and equipment. By automating routine tasks, AI frees human personnel to focus on strategic planning and critical decision-making. This optimization leads to better resource utilization and enhanced mission success rates. Additionally, AI improves the speed and accuracy of command decisions. Chapter 3: AI in Cyber Warfare and Information Operations. AI is pivotal in cyber warfare and information operations, enabling the military to detect and respond to cyber threats more effectively. AI-powered systems analyze vast amounts of network traffic to identify potential threats and neutralize them before they cause harm. Additionally, AI aids in information operations by analyzing and disseminating strategic information to influence public opinion or disrupt enemy communications. This capability enhances the military's ability to conduct psychological warfare and electronic warfare. AI's role in cyber defense is critical, as it helps protect military networks from sophisticated attacks. Its predictive capabilities also help in anticipating future threats. Chapter 4: Autonomous Systems, Myths versus Reality. The concept of autonomous systems in warfare often raises concerns about lethal autonomous weapons. However, the reality is that most military AI applications focus on assisting human decision-making rather than replacing it. While AI can control unmanned vehicles and drones, these systems typically operate under human oversight. The myth of fully autonomous killer robots is not yet a reality in mainstream military use. Instead, AI is used to enhance situational awareness and provide tactical support to human operators. Autonomous systems are primarily used for reconnaissance and logistics, improving the efficiency of military operations without replacing human judgment. Chapter 05: Decision Support Systems in Modern Combat. Decision support systems powered by AI are crucial in modern combat, providing military commanders with real-time intelligence and predictive analytics. These systems analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including sensor networks and intelligence reports, to help commanders make informed decisions quickly. AI can also simulate different battle scenarios, allowing commanders to anticipate and prepare for potential outcomes. This capability enhances the military's ability to adapt to changing circumstances on the battlefield. By integrating AI into decision-making processes, military forces can respond more effectively to unexpected challenges and improve their overall strategic advantage. AI's predictive capabilities are key to this enhanced decision-making process. Wait a second. Do you think AI will ever fully replace human decision-making in warfare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Chapter 6: Ethical and Legal Implications of AI in Warfare. The integration of AI in warfare raises significant ethical and legal concerns. Ensuring human control and accountability in decision-making processes is crucial, especially with autonomous weapons systems. AI must comply with international humanitarian law, also known as IHL, emphasizing principles like distinction and proportionality. However, algorithmic biases can lead to discriminatory outcomes, undermining these principles. Establishing clear regulations is essential to address these challenges and ensure AI systems do not compromise human responsibility. This includes developing guidelines for AI development and deployment that prioritize transparency and accountability. Chapter 07: AI-driven surveillance and intelligence gathering. AI plays a crucial role in surveillance and intelligence gathering by enhancing the military's ability to monitor and analyze vast amounts of data. AI-driven systems can detect patterns and predict threats, providing real-time intelligence that informs strategic decisions. This capability is particularly valuable in cybersecurity, where AI can identify and respond to cyber threats more effectively. By leveraging AI in surveillance, military forces can improve their situational awareness and respond more effectively to emerging threats. This enhances their ability to protect both military assets and civilian populations, ensuring a safer operational environment. Chapter 8: The Role of AI in Predictive Maintenance and Logistics. AI is transforming predictive maintenance and logistics in military operations by optimizing resource allocation and reducing downtime. AI systems can predict equipment failures, allowing for proactive maintenance and ensuring that critical systems remain operational. This capability improves mission readiness and reduces operational costs. Additionally, AI aids in supply chain management, streamlining the delivery of essential supplies to troops. By enhancing logistical efficiency, AI helps military forces maintain a strategic advantage and respond more effectively to changing circumstances. This proactive approach also enhances the overall effectiveness of military operations. Chapter 9: Future of AI in Warfare, Trends and Challenges. The future of AI in warfare is marked by both opportunities and challenges. Advancements in AI promise to enhance precision and efficiency in military operations, but they also raise concerns about ethics and regulation. As AI technologies evolve, there will be a growing need for international cooperation to establish robust regulations that balance innovation with ethical responsibility. The integration of AI into warfare will continue to reshape military strategies, emphasizing the importance of maintaining human oversight in decision-making processes to ensure compliance with international law and humanitarian principles. This balance is crucial for ensuring that AI benefits are realized while minimizing risks. I have a question for you. How do you believe AI should be regulated in military contexts to ensure ethical use? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. As we navigate the complexities of AI in warfare, it's clear that technology is reshaping military strategies and ethical landscapes. The future of combat is not about killer robots, but smarter, more efficient tactics. Stay informed and engaged as we continue to explore the impact of AI on our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.